then. They want me now, did not want me to win. But now they proud, now they paying to get in. They in the crowd, tell me how's the view now, tell me how's the view now.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, hit that notification bell so that you get all my videos that get uploaded. If you like this look, make sure y'all stay tuned into this video so y'all can see how I achieved this look. Also, the links to all my social media sites will be down in the description down below. If I can't put it somewhere on the screen, I will put it down below. Make sure you guys keep up with me on every social media so that you see when I'm uploading or just see what I'm doing on a day-to-day basis. Yeah, stay tuned to the video for this pretty look. I love this look. Okay guys, so the palette that you see I have in my hand, it's actually called the Mixed Metal Peach palette that I got from Target. I really love this palette. This is my first time trying it. I just seen it in Target and just picked it up. I really love this palette. The colors come out super bold. Like, don't be afraid to shop at Target or other stores like that besides MAC, Sephora, and other stuff like that, because these colors really come out really cute. So like I said, I was trying this. The color that I'm using now is called Certain in the palette. It's kind of like a brown sparkly color that I actually really love as a transitional color. So that's what I'll be using for my transitional color. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. palette that I also got from Target. I'm going to take the black out of there and I'm going to use that for my crease. I'm going to use that right under my transitional color, and I'm going to use that for my crease. Like I said before, ladies, I have some expensive eyeshadows, but it's not always necessary to use this expensive eyeshadows to make your colors pop or make your makeup like look flawless. So yeah, what you see me using is my e.l.f. palette from Target. Okay, go get you one. So now I'm going to go in with my Anglola highlighter from the crayon case. I'm going to leave the links to her website down in the description down below so that you guys can check out her website. She has other highlighters, but this highlighter is particularly, I think I just said that word wrong, but particularly, I think I got it. Okay. It's for my skin tone. I absolutely love this highlighter. I've said that numerous times in my previous makeup videos. I'm going to use this for my lid. As you can see, it's giving me that golden color, that shimmery golden color. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be using for my lid. And I'm going to also use it on my brow bone to give it that extra glow, that extra pop, that extra okay. So yeah, I'm going to use it on my brow bone too. As I said before, I love to glow. I love the highlighter. So I be overdoing it sometimes, but I don't think I overdid it on this video. So yeah, I'm using it on my brow bone too. And I'm about to go in with my liquid eyeliner to create my wing. I broke this eyeliner actually in this video. I don't know how I did it, but yeah, I broke this eyeliner. But I'm gonna go in with this liquid eyeliner to create my wing, and then after that, I'm gonna apply my lashes. I put that one eyelash on and started feeling myself. You hear me, niece? Like literally started feeling myself. So yeah, right here I'm gonna just moisturize my face. I stated this before too. Before you do your makeup, always moisturize your face. Like, you don't want to be walking around with no dry face. Always moisturize your face before you put any kind of foundation on your face. And again, I'm going to go in with my Anglola highlighter and highlight my cheekbone area and whatever else I feel like highlighting at the time. I'm not sure, but I'm going to go in and highlight. Now I'm going in with this black lipstick that I got from MAC. I got this a while ago, so I don't know if they still have it in stores, but you guys can check. It's called In the Spirit. It's matte lipstick from MAC. So that's what I'm going in with. So there you have it. This is the finished look, and I hope you guys really enjoyed my tutorial. I hope I helped someone achieve this look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that post notification button so that you get all my videos that get uploaded. And until next time, bye.
They want me then, they want me now, did not want me to win. But now they proud, now they paying to get in. They in the crowd, tell me how's a few now, tell me how's a few now.